Hi everyone, welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see how we can convert our text into image workflow, like we will use Python code. So we are having this code here and we will get the image like this as a workflow. As you can see right now here, we are having 5 steps, right? If you want to make changes and then how it will generate, let's see. So the thing is, right now you can see 5 steps, but in the code I just added this point. So when I'll run it, so it should change it, right? And one more thing, here I'm using light green color, but you can change it here in this section where you can put different, like you want light blue or light pink. So I'm going to use light pink here. Similarly, you can change the shape of the boxes, you can change the style as well. So let's run this code and see what the change will happen. So when we will run this code, it will give us the output. It will tell everything, like we are having the required libraries, and you can see now we are having the 6-step workflow. Similarly, if you have more steps, you can add it here. If you have less steps, you can modify here. So I'm going to say I'll share this code with you so you can try and you can generate such workflow in minutes. So we are not going to use any GUI tool for this one. I'm not going to edit any image here. We are just using this code and get the desired output. So the thing is, let's understand what is going on with this code. So first we need to import the libraries and we need to install dependency for this. So here we are using two libraries, GraphViz and RA. GraphViz is a library which is used to create diagrams, and RA is a regular expression library which will be used to parse the text input for workflow steps. Next we are using create workflow diagram function here, which is taking workflow text which we gave here as an input, and we are giving output file name. Next thing we need to understand here, like diagram, it's it's from the GraphViz library, that is a core class for building directed graph. As for the workflow, we are going step by step, like it will be give the direction. That's why we are using this one. Next we need to understand like what is given here. Here it's a rank direction, so we are using horizontal for left to right. We can use BT for top to bottom. We can use TV, so it will give in that direction. Okay, so here we are having, as I mentioned, the shapes and nodes, and it's like the color of that. Next we are splitting this text into the lines, and we also preserve the steps number. So this is our third step, that is known as parsing the workflow text we are doing. Next we are building the diagram. We are using creating the nodes and the edges for this diagram. Next we are using we are rendering and displaying. Okay, so in this case we are using this function to render and display the diagram, and then we are executing the main command. So for example, if you want to make some changes, like now I want to make the workflow with the 7 steps, so I just need to put here, and for the I'm just putting like 7th step here, and when I'll run this code, it should give me the workflow with 7 boxes. Okay, so I did not change any box size or shape here. You can change it here. If you want in circle, you can put it, or if you are looking for in oval, you just need to put the text, and you need to run this code again, you will get it. So I'm not using any particular tool here. I did not install anything on my system. I'm using Colab tool, that is browser based tool from the Google, so you can use it. So how you can see, now we are having the 7 steps diagram that we are looking for. So if you want to know how you need to go it, so just go to Google. You need to type Colab research Google tool, then on the first link you will see that one, that is the tool we are going to use. So here you need to create new notebook, and whatever code I am giving you, you need to put here. You, for example, if I'm going to I just copy pasted the tool, and now I'm running the tool in the new. So it will take time because here it is connecting to Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend system, so it will run it. So initially it will take time because right now it is running and connecting. Once it is done, then it will give you the output. So I'm just yeah, now it's done. So now it started doing it. So similarly we just use the same code, so it will work for you as well. Just try it. It will help you to learn how you need to run Python code without installing anything, and if you want to make any changes, you can do it. Similarly, we are just trying to understand how the actual code works, what are the libraries are doing, what are the functions are doing, where loop is used for that one, and where we are giving the input and where we are getting the output. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it, then thank you for watching. See you in next video for more learning content.